Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm James, I'm your crazy clown host, and Tati is off camera right now wearing a really weird maxi pad nose mask thing.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. My husband's in my way, so I can't do my normal hello to you all. I'm so sorry, but his muscles are just in my way. Oh my God, James.
Hey baby.
You have some big biceps, but really you're in my way. Good morning to you all. So I have somehow managed to get my husband to sit down next to me and try out weird products for the face, like a clown mask. We have some silk cocoon facial scrubbers from Thailand. That's an injection that we're gonna do on you. It is smear type injection.
This looks like something like your grandparents would need.
No, I'm gonna play nurse because
You don't have a nursing degree.
My sister does. She can, we'll phone a friend and she can walk me through it. Okay, you guys, here's the scoop. I went to Thailand this summer. We went as a family. I picked up some really cool skincare products and I have held back and I've wanted to try them out. So I have a bunch of fun stuff and I thought, you know what? I only have one face and I need to try the most. So I needed your face. So thank you for sacrificing your skin. Because you have sensitive skin, this is probably not gonna end well for you.
Yeah, I'm gonna be beet red in about 20 minutes.
But I really appreciate it so much, and they appreciate it. Let's all just give a thumbs up for James. Just some love in the comments for your poor skin. Also, before we hop into it, I'm gonna get all good and prepared. Do you have a headband?
No.
I'll get you one. Before we hop in, it is announcement time. I wanted to let you all know that we are doing free shipping again for Halo. So many of you guys loved that the last time we did it, and it's back for 3 days only. It will end on Sunday. I will have details and a link to the site in the description box below. I have my Halo sitting here so that you guys can visually see. Kiwi. Original, you can hold the original and be like a model.
I'm the OG.
I'm the new, fresh one. This is Kiwi Seed Booster right here. I am so obsessed with this. I'm loving it. I am seeing a huge difference in my skin with this. I personally am taking this one. You're taking this one.
This is gonna be the silliest thing, but I was telling you about this last night. I was at our fulfillment center yesterday, and I had to go through 3,000 bottles, and they were all in cardboard boxes, and you know, it was a really long time. It was all day long. I'm digging through box after box after box, inspecting these labels. And I come home at the end of the day and my cuticles are not torn up. I mean, my hands, they look great. And that has to do with the hydration from the product.
Well, the quality of skin improves head to toe. A lot of people think it's just, you know, the skin on your face. It's not, it's head to toe. And if you want to see some incredible before and afters, you can always visit our Instagram, or there is a space now on our website. I'll throw a few in here right now so you guys can take a peek at, you know, some of our customers' journey. And I also want to let you know free shipping is going to be on any quantity in the US. You could order 1 bottle of Kiwi, free shipping. Now, for the rest of you guys worldwide, it is going to be 3 bottles of any combo. You could order 1 Kiwi, 2 original, any combo, and with 3 bottles, you will get free shipping. So I hope you guys take advantage of it. If you are already loving, you know, Halo and you're using it, now is a good time to stock up. If you have been curious about it and you did not want to pay shipping, here you have it. It's your opportunity to test it out and fall in love with it. And I really feel that you will, because it is such an incredible product. And I'm so proud of it, you guys. It's the best thing for your skin. I love it.
And I'm so proud of you.
Really?
Yeah.
You're gonna make me cry.
Honey, this thing that you built is amazing. So proud of you.
He's making me cry right now. If you could experience what I am experiencing in email with the before and afters, and not just photos, but the stories and how this product is really transforming and changing people's lives. We have one customer who's able to go after her career of choice because it has helped heal the eczema on her hands. If you have been curious, this is working for so many, and I really believe that it will work for you as well. And give it a shot. No,
Do you have a headband for me? Why did I ask? Oh, it's a man bun.
Okay, so let's play with some silk cocoon.
What is this product?
It's a silk cocoon.
This is a product of Thailand. It's the Young New. I can't read Thai. It's a silk cocoon facial scrub.
It feels really goopy.
Put 1 silk cocoon on finger, emulsify with water, and rub gently onto face. Rinse well with water. Avoid contact with eyes. I'm gonna put one on my finger.
Do you want me to emulsify yours?
I've got water.
Okay, so this is an actual silk cocoon. James! 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 James!
What's it supposed to do?
You need to emulsify it, ding dong.
Okay. Does that
This
just
is-
mean get it soaking wet?
Yes. This is interesting. It is a scrubber for your face and it has soap in it somehow, but it's also a cocoon. Is this okay? Like, do we feel like this is cruel? It's a real silk cocoon.
I think you took
Did any worms die?
I
don't
think you just took
understand.
their home.
We're
I
kind
can't-
of like recycling in a way.
I can't get my finger in this.
This feels so weird, you guys, but it actually feels like it is exfoliating in a strange way. And this was highly, highly, highly recommended. Also, I am putting poop on James' face. Bird's nest. Bird's nest droppings.
I emulsified it and it's doing nothing.
Mine's turning into, look at this. Is that not weird? It's like what my pillowcase is made of, right? Oh my God, that is so strange.
It's a silkworm.
Oh my God. Ooh, you got in there. Okay, I'm gonna go rinse my face. What do you think?
Here. What do you think?
What do you think? What do you think?
Turn off the water for a second. I want to let them hear this.
What are they hearing?
We're doing ASMR.
I am going to do this one.
This is called the Lattaque Pore Mask. It's a carbonated water, 10%. Air laying pore mask will be the best solution to help your skin problems without stimulus. It smells like spa.
It sure does. Wow. I mean, is this a maxi pad or a nose strap? What is this?
After cleansing your face, apply half the product on the sheet. Cover your navi zone. Tap the sheet to activate CO2. Let it sit for 23 minutes and rinse out with water. At this point, if you use natural sponge, you can remove dead skin cells on your skin more efficiently.
So it says to do this?
Oh, show that to them. That looks nasty.
Ew, it looks like someone, ew.
No.
Actually, this just went down a really wrong path. Are you sure you don't want this one?
Yeah, I'm positive that is
You're
not
sure?
going on my face.
All right, well, bottoms up. Oh, it's bubbling already. That's really weird.
So tap the sheet to activate
Leon,
the
tap me.
CO2.
Tap, 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 tap,
Here,
tap.
let the microphone hear.
Tap, tap. Going to a masquerade ball. I can't breathe. I don't know if I can do this for 23 minutes. I literally can't breathe out of my nose because stuff will go in it. It stings. Oh, he's setting a timer. Great. Is it supposed to burn? I don't know if that's good. Oh, I just ruined my career. Oh my God, help me.
It says warnings. You should stop using this product if any of the following abnormalities, such as red spots, swelling, itching, or irritation during use.
I'm fine. Right?
Huh.
It's okay.
And while you're doing that, I'm going to do the pure smile.
Wait, no, you need to do a smear test.
Nah.
Yeah, collagen.
It looks like something for someone's butt. Oh, this is fun. Check it out. This looks like a Bounty paper towel that just has
Yeah, they fooled you.
a clown mask printed on it.
Oh, hell no.
Here we go.
Oh, it's Halloween early. Oh, no, thank you. I bet James Charles could recreate that and make it look so good.
I'm just going to sit here for 20 minutes.
And I'm gone. See you later, guys.
My face is falling off.
Okay, mine is burning off, so I'm gonna ditch this. Oh, it's burning, you guys. I can't do it. Ugh. What are these people thinking with this?
Stinky.
It's an elephant sneeze.
And it's all over your face. Will you please go rinse your face? I would like you to try this pretty animal mask.
I'm just gonna wipe this clean.
My face is falling down.
My face, my neck, my clown nose, and my... All right, hook me up.
It's all wrong. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah.
I got the ears for it.
My little tiger. It smells like vodka. You look more like Alien.
Am I beautiful yet?
Yes, you are. You're very beautiful. Oh no, Jar Jar Binks.
If you ever wondered what a Friday night at my place looked like.
You wouldn't want to look.
Oh, here comes our child.
Come on in.
Don't judge.
You're going to be putting on a mask too, Taylor.
Yeah, you're next.
No, I'm not. Why so serious? Like a Bowie clown and the Catwoman.
My lips are sealed.
So right now, Tati is testing the Aqua Jelly Lip Mask. It's from Peaches and Slices, XOXO. It's a refreshing jelly mask infused with hydrating and nourishing shea butter, coconut, honey, yuzu, and bamboo stem extract leaves lips smooth, moisturized, and ready for makeup or a kiss.
Alright, it's been like 20 minutes. I have one grand finale for you, James.
What's that?
Take your mask off.
No, this stays on
No, it sure doesn't.
for the rest of the day.
No.
This is my new look.
What are you gonna be for Halloween?
Clown.
A clown? Oh, wow. I hate clowns.
That was so gross.
I hate clowns and I can't deny. They're just crazy people in disguise. When a clown
Walks in with an itty bitty face,
and a big nose in your face.
gets sprung. I'm trying to figure out if that did anything for me or not.
I feel hydrated. I do. My skin still kind of feels a little bit stingy through here, but maybe exfoliated. Oh, weird. I mean, this really actually did irritate my skin quite a bit. Do you see that? All right. Now it's time to moisturize. Come here.
What if these ingredients mix and burn me?
They won't. This is bird's nest droppings, also known as poop, for your face. Angelina Jolie uses this technique, and she's beautiful. Don't get it in my mouth! Oh my god!
You can have some
Oh my
too.
god, you just got it in my eye. I'm gonna get like pink eye now.
I cannot believe you just smeared bird poop on my face.
It's nightingales' droppings from their nest. Ew.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay, what do you guys think of that trend? Have you ever heard of that? Because this is a huge thing over in Thailand. They even had like a really legit fancy one that was in a case that was locked up, and it was very, very expensive. This is just like an infused moisturizer, but you do see this a lot over there where it's called bird's nest water drop. Yeah, it's a bird's nest extract, which is like their nest where they poop, and it is supposed to do amazing things for your skin. I watched a segment in a, I'm gonna throw up. I watched a segment in a
Just keep talking.
Where are you going?
I'm going to wash my face.
I just want to look great at any cost, even if it's bird's nest that just zhuzhes up my skin. But seriously, you guys, this is a real thing, and people will go and get bird's nest droppings facials. Like, it is a legit thing, and people swear by it, that it brightens the skin, you know, clears the skin, does all these great things for the skin, anti-ages the skin. And I was curious, but I kind of dipped my toes in something not crazy expensive and not so overwhelming. Like, this is mixed into a little moisturizer. It feels basically like any other moisturizer out there. It's just kind of like weird when you think about it. Same thing like with the like snail serum secretion infused creams and masks and like that whole thing, which that does really work. It's bizarre, but that does really, really work. Kind of gross, but it works. So this is a huge trend. I watched it on a Beauty Around the World documentary. Have you guys heard of any weird things like this? Let me know if you are from somewhere. Wow, the before and after is real. Oh, what have I done to you? I'm so sorry. Your skin looks beautiful though.
You really? Mm-hmm. You think?
Yeah, 100.
Thank you.
Really great. Yeah, so you guys, if you know of any cool skincare products, makeup, weird beauty tech,
Do you want to say techniques?
if you know of any strange beauty techniques from your part of the world, please leave it in the comments below. We're gonna leave you with, I mean, that's enough. You guys have like seen enough, right? We're kind of crazy today, but I thought it would be a fun video. And also be sure to check out the description box below if you're interested in free shipping for Halo Beauty or Halo Kiwi Booster. Again, you can get any quantity here in the US for free shipping, and globally you can order 3, mix and match how you choose, 3 or more, and you're gonna get free shipping. All right, I love you guys so much. Thanks for hanging out with us. I hope you have the best weekend ever. We love you, and I'll see you in my next video.
Mwah.